Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh Word of the Day. We're still on countries in Europe, though I'd love to go elsewhere this morning, especially after this morning's news. But we shall leave that for next week. So this week, Dydd Gwener, Friday, we're going to end on Sbaen. Sbaen. I'll give you one guess what Sbaen means in English. That's right. Spain. Sbaen. Another one of my favourite European countries, and I hope you notice that all of these are on the Mediterranean coast because they all grow olives. Not only that, but they all make very nice wine. Especially the Albariño from Sbaen. Gwyn, Albariño or Sbaen. Delicious on a crisp afternoon, maybe not morning, in the summer. So remember to say it as you see it. Sbaen, Spain, Mwynhewch, enjoy. Hwyl fawr.